How to use Instagram Map safely and responsibly. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. The Instagram Map is a great way to explore posts from friends and nearby locations, but it's important to use it safely. Always be mindful of your privacy when sharing your location. Before you enable location sharing, decide who can see your location. Options include friends, close friends, only these friends, and no one. Choosing carefully ensures only trusted people can view your location. Avoid sharing your exact location in real time with people you don't fully trust. If you want to explore location or check posts without revealing your location, consider turning off location sharing temporarily. You can also manage your location privacy settings in the story and location section to control who can see your location and prevent unwanted tracking. Regularly review your location history and map settings to ensure your personal data stays private. By being cautious and thoughtful about location sharing, you can enjoy Instagram Map while protecting your privacy and security. Now you know how to use Instagram Map safely and responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.